Hello. Okay, I'm gonna be singing a song I wrote called doesn't matter. Okay, here's my song. Okay. It's been raining outside lately. Bad news on the doorstep. Afraid to even go out 'cause I might get wet. So I'm staying inside, away from the rain. Staying inside, away from the bad things. It's been cloudy outside lately. Don't know where the sun's at. Peeking out at my window, just in case it comes back. But I'm staying inside, away from the rain. Staying inside, away from the bad things. How do I keep living like this? Shouldn't I get it over with? I haven't even let the cold touch my skin. Shouldn't I get it over with and go outside into the rain? Go outside into the bad things. And you feel it such a scared, and you want to run back in, but you're stuck there standing still. Only inside you feel ill, 'cause you're standing outside in all the rain. Standing outside, drenched in the bad things. But soon the sun will come and take it all away, and you'll be drier than you were, standing in the rain. Yeah, there you go. Thank you.